name is Kamere. I came here to Yashoda with my wife Anne, who had difficulty with the shoulder, torn muscle in the shoulder. And she had an intervention done here which was just amazing. Dr. Mohan Reddy did the intervention with his team, and instantly the pain ceased. And today is the 9th day of since the operation, and the hand is functioning very well. The amount of experience that Dr. Mohan Reddy has is just amazing, because he's been all over the world, and he's very, very experienced in this athletic medicine. I would encourage anybody to consult him with these problems of joints and muscles, because he's very well versed in the program. The international team were excellent people. Akbar and his colleagues were very, very helpful in coordinating all activities of our stay, taxis and vehicle movements, and this has made our stay more comfortable and easier to manage. We would recommend Yashoda Hospital to anybody, because the amount of research and medical equipment available is phenomenal. The hospital staff were excellent, very polite and very ready to help. Thank you very much.